So, Your Highness, you have been known for your advocacy on gender inclusivity and everything around that. And technology has come to break barriers and establish such great access to opportunities. What do you think that means to the northern Nigerian society and the girl child for this innovation and for this revolution of technology?
So the reality is that technology is a great leveler. Okay, it takes away many of the glass ceilings, not just in terms of gender, in terms of race, in terms of where you happen to be born geographically. We've just said how you can be in Nigeria and working for a US company. You can be in Nigeria working for a Chinese company. You can be in Nigeria working for a Saudi company and earning in US dollars, earning in pounds sterling. So it opens up all the great opportunities. Okay, but we need people like Afri Ventures. We need fund managers. We need people who have the technology. You need to know where to find it, and I think this is why this festival is extremely important. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
All right.